Back up, back up. I need to get signal.
The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Cameron County, Pennsylvania, Eastern Elk County, Pennsylvania, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:54 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms. These severe storms extended from Cypressville to Benefit, moving east at 35 miles per hour. These storms are capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Locations included in the warning: Cameron, Elk River, Emporium, Hicks Run, Stevenson Dam Improvement. This will impact State Road 120. Severe thunderstorms create winds of more than 57 miles per hour or 1 inch or larger. Severe thunderstorms produce damage. Move inside a permanent building now to be safe from strong wind gusts. Strong winds or wind damage.
Guys, there might be another alert behind this one.
Service and State College Cruise Window on Facebook. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 2 a.m. Wednesday morning.
Another one. Quiet, quiet, quiet.
Severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following counties: Cameron and Elk.
There might be another one.
The National